Hello, in this video I'm going to cover a core Okteto feature that forms the basis of environment provision. The Okteto Manifest is how you configure the behavior for building, deploying and developing your applications in Okteto. The manifest allows you to define your environments as code and store them in a Git repository, enabling GitOps best practices. The first benefit of this approach is that since everything is version tracked, it is easier to roll back to a previous version when things go wrong. Secondly, it also ensures transparency and control since changes to the Okteto Manifest and therefore the dev environments are made via explicit approval and pull requests. By using this environments as a code approach, you ensure that every team member works in a standardized environment, improving consistency and removing the burden of manually configuring things from developers and platform teams. The Okteto Manifest consists of various sections, but in this demo, we'll focus on the three main sections, which are build, deploy, and develop. These three sections form the basis of providing production-like development environments to your developers. In the build section, you tell Okteto how to build images that will power your application's dev environments. This keeps your environment current with the latest code changes. A sample build section could look something like this. To learn more about how Okteto build works, you can search for the build service in our documentation. The deploy section tells Okteto how to deploy your application using any existing tool you might already be using, for example Helm, Customize, or just normal kubectl commands. All the resources created by these commands will appear in the Okteto UI as part of a single development environment, which represents your whole application. This is what a sample deploy section might look like. Finally, the dev section allows you to define what local files do you want to sync with your remote environment. This section defines the behavior for the Okteto CLI and specifically the Okteto up command. This feature enhances productivity by synchronizing the code changes developers make locally with the code that is running in the actual clusters. It's kind of like hot reloading but for Kubernetes clusters. Super cool, right? Your dev section might look like this. So to sum up, thanks to the Okteto Manifest, your development environments are production-like, automated, consistent, and easy to manage via version control system. Want an even more deeper overview of how you can start creating awesome dev experiences with Okteto? Schedule a demo or check out our documentation to learn more. Thank you for watching this video.